how cute is this color? I really like it. Such a, I don't know how to describe this peachy, orangey, pastel orange. It's so pretty, especially with the jeans. It looks super cute. So this is also from the same brand as the previous one, Symbol. But I think the model is different because that was like a little longer one and this is shorter. It has a little bit of band in the bottom and kind of is a slick, not completely crop, but not as full as that one. I don't know how to explain. And it's super cute. I love the color. Oh my god, how pretty. So the one I wore before this, the purple one, it's just like a normal, cloth. It does not have anything like insulated or anything inside, which kind of keeps you warm. But this one has this layer of that warm thing. I don't know what you call this. Please help me if you know. Let me know in the comments what you call this layer. So they have this inside, which keeps you more warm. That's why this feels a lot more thicker than that one. That's like very slim. This is more stiffer, thicker, and keeps you more warm. And I really like this one over that one, especially. I think I will take the same color in this one if there's an option. And this is so cute. Okay, the next one I have is a black bomber jacket. Black bomber jacket, I think, is kind of a wardrobe staple for winter, and I can't believe I never had it all this while. I have only one bomber jacket. Actually, I have two. One in grey and one in something like colorful, but I don't have a black one. Black just goes on with everything, right? So having a black one on hand would be like so useful. Anytime you're going out, you can just slip it on anything and look good. And especially this one, so comfortable, very properly insulated, keeps you warm. And kind of, I'm saying it keeps you warm because especially with all the light and everything, wearing all these winter clothes and it feels so hot. So everything I've placed order, I ordered medium because I usually just wear medium. But this jacket specifically medium was a little tight. I mean, I could fit the zip, but it was not as comfortable. So I went ahead and bought the large. By the time like everything else got delivered, I could return this and I took a larger size as well. So this I got in large. So jackets probably you'll have to be like a little mindful about the size. Although online it was like 42, but still it was tight. I'm like generally it's 34 only is fine for me, but 42 was still tight. So probably there's like measurements issue or something. But this is large and it's perfect for me. I really like it, and also it does not break your bag. Usually bomber jackets are so freaking expensive. It starts from like 5,000 to like 20 or even more, and I'm like, I don't want to spend so much, dude. And this is, I'm sure it is under 1,000. I don't remember exactly, but I like this one. Trench coat kind of thing. Not sure when I'll wear this in Hyderabad. It's not that thick as well. It's a little heavy. It will definitely keep you warm, but it's not like super thick where you just have to wear it like in extreme cold conditions. You can kind of pull this off, I think, in Hyderabad as well. And I really like how this looks, especially when it looks when it is open and this outfit like this. It kind of looks super cool. I don't have like a long jacket. I never bought one because I never kind of needed one. And now I'm actually going somewhere, so I might need one. So I bought one. And I like the material. It's comfortable. It's soft. I like the length. I like the sleeve. I like the color as well. And I'm definitely keeping this one. It looks cute, very cute. And the color is so cute as well. It's olive green. Okay, so this is the next one. And I got another bomber jacket, but it's this is the next one, and I got another bomber jacket, but it's pink, and I really like this one. So this one I did not have the time to exchange it and get a bigger size. So this is medium, and this is what I'm telling you. Like it's kind of, it'll fit, but it's not as comfortable. So I probably will just take a large in this one as well because I really like the color and like how it looks, especially with like these jeans and this top. I feel like everything is looking good. I don't know why it does not want to fit though. Which idiot put this on the opposite side? This jacket is made for left-handers, not right-handers. So this is what I mean. It's a little tight, so like once you lift and do that, it kind of like stays like this because it's a little tight. So large would be proper, and this one even has a hood. So the black one does not have a hoodie. I don't know why. I'm a person of, I don't like hoods. I feel like it just makes my head so heavy, my neck so heavy, and I don't like it. But this one has hoodie and super cute. I feel like I'm going like on a trek or something with this hoodie. Hi. Hello. Anyways, moving on. Okay, I think these have to be the most comfiest pants I ever wore. Next one I have is this tracksuit kind of thing. It's a sweatshirt quads kind of thing. Super cute. It's basic. It seems kind of like very old trendy, but it's always you can rock these pieces anywhere. Like just you're going out for a casual day, you can wear this. You look super cute. You can wear this to a workout. You can wear this to a park. You can wear this to a breakfast. You can wear this anywhere and it's super comfortable as well. Again, this also the pant is a little tight on me, so I probably should go a size up, but if I go a size up for my pant, the top will probably be loose. It's actually not that uncomfortable. It's just I'm so used to wearing like loose clothes, so much comfy clothes, that if something is a little tight, I'm like, I don't want it to be so tight, but it's actually super cute. I like the fit. I like how it looks. It's basic, it's affordable, and I can pair the pant with different things. I can pair the top with different things, so it's multi-purpose as well.